Behind me, Victor Harbour. Behind me now, Victor Harbour Cars and Coffee Meet every second Sunday of the month. In this video, let's take a look at some of the cars on offer, because this is a community event. It's Bicester Heritage Scramble actually that's happening today in the UK. Meanwhile, I'm going to check out hopefully some awesome vintage Holdens and Fords here at Victor Harbour Esplanade for their Cars and Coffee Meet. I can't believe that I'm looking at the ocean. Here is the ocean, there, and here, well, is a Ford Falcon. Hey, it looks busy. Looks grand. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to let you just enjoy it with the highlights of the Victor Harbour Cars and Coffee Meet. I'm going to just not talk and let you enjoy the Holdens and the Fords and whatever we've got here, and also I'm going to soak some of that in as well. That's a lovely looking Daimler.
It's different. Spring spanner, socket, and then I got chisel and tried like just.
Shout out to this guy and his Hyundai Getz and his mates. Brilliant. Oh, this is tasty. This is lovely. Oh, this is nice. So I have sadly got here a little bit late and people are starting to leave. There's still lots of awesome things to see. Wowzer.
AG, car park.
It's a very neat conversion, I have to say. It looks like it's beautiful.
That's not what you normally see in your Moggy Thousand, is it? That's got an interesting surprise.
Bring it back in, this is when the mechanic was the car, it's running real rough.
Go on, mate, you got loads of space there with that big end. What a great event. Look at this Tickford behind me. Whilst I'm here, I'm going to head on down to the ocean, have a wander along the beach, and there's also like a farmer's market going on as well, so I'm going to take a look at that as well. Thanks for watching this latest video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, I've selected a couple more videos for you, especially on this page. You might enjoy those, and don't forget to subscribe to always keep up to date with the channel.